What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video on the Craftsman compact blower. Now as you can see, this thing died with a 600 battery yesterday because you can see, I mean you expect how much, but as you can see, I'm using a 400 battery right now, you can see, because you can see, it's got 3 bars in the battery, you can see, because I do wish the thing did not die, the 600 battery did not die, but it did last for a while. The 600 battery charges for a long time than the 400 battery, which I get it, now you can see it because you notice the inspector does out. I know this thing's going to get used again the next weekend. You can see it because this is a CMCB L0100, and I do like this thing a lot because you see how much I really expected this thing exactly, but it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but you can see how much expected this thing could be getting used almost quite a bit. And you can see, I mean, how much expected this thing could get used no matter what it is, because I do like this machine. It's definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. And you should get this one. You can see this one I got last year in 2024 exactly, which now I'm using in 2025, which I know since the fact it's gonna get used. I mean, the phone up there, I know this thing's gonna die next weekend. I know that because well, I mean, expect that the thing's gonna get used almost no matter what it takes exactly on this machine exactly, because well, because it definitely looks pretty nice, you can see, because you can see how much expected this thing's gonna get used almost quite a bit, because you can see if I was out there blowing in the front and in the back, you can see it, because you can see, I mean, this thing is going to be used almost quite a bit, because this thing going to get used almost quite a bit, because you can see how much expected this thing's going to get, because I mean, I do like this thing. I did tell them already was that this is a CMCB L0100, and you can see exactly what it looks like. This is a 2024 model, but I got this thing last year, you can see, because this is a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion, but I do wish this thing will be used the next weekend as well, so I know the same thing will be used. I know that the support badge got died this weekend, and I know that because you can see how much expected this thing is, because I know it's something like this much of a big, like you see, because there's one thing I actually really like something like this a little bit, because you can see that's exactly how much expected this thing is. When you turn the speed down a little bit, it means something like this much. You can see exactly how much of a expected this machine is, because it's a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. So this thing can get used next weekend as well, so you can see this is a pretty nice looking machine.